In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new signatures in Gmail. Whether you're looking to keep your emails professional, add a personal touch, or simply want a convenient way to include key information in every message you send, setting up a signature in Gmail is a valuable tool. So, let's dive right in and make sure you have all the details you need to create your very own signature. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account. Ensure that you're logged in and on the main Gmail page. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll notice a small gear icon. This is where you access your settings. Go ahead and give that gear icon a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll need to click on See All Settings. This will open up a new page with a variety of options. On this page, you'll automatically be taken to the General tab of your settings. Now, you'll need to scroll down through these options. Keep an eye out as you scroll, and eventually, you'll find a section labeled Signature. This is where the magic happens. Once you find it, you'll see a plus sign alongside the option to create a new signature. Click on that plus sign. At this point, you'll be prompted to name your signature. This name is only for your reference and won't appear in the signature itself, so choose something that clearly represents the purpose of this particular signature. For instance, if it's for work-related emails, naming it something like Work can help you differentiate it from other signatures you might create later. Once you've named your signature, it's time to add the contents. Here, you can customize the signature exactly how you like it. This is your opportunity to include your name, job title, contact information, or even a favorite quote. Remember, clarity is key. So ensure that all necessary details are included and easy to read. You can even adjust the text style, size, and color to make everything look neat and professional. After you've input all the information you want in your signature, it's crucial to save your work. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find a Save Changes button. Click it and you're done. You've successfully created a new signature in Gmail. Now, every time you compose an email, you'll see a drop-down menu in the Signature section, allowing you to select the signature you just created. This adds convenience and a polished touch to every email you send. And there you have it. Creating a signature in Gmail is straightforward, quick, and a great way to enhance your email communication. Enjoy customizing your signatures and making your emails truly yours.